all filled up. Now to get in to start my bath. Oh man, this is such the life. What a peaceful day to take a relaxing bath for a way to get clean. Well, I better get scrubbing so that way I can get all cleaned up. Rub-a-dub-dub, I am singing in the tub. Rub-a-dub-dub, scrub-a-dub-dub. Excuse me? What are you nine doing in here? I am trying to take a bath. Now please leave.
La 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 la.
Oh my god. That is so annoying. Please stop it. They are not getting away with it that easy. At least I can continue my bath in peace now.
Hey Chucks, how is this drawing? It is a picture of you playing the bongos.
It looks great, Lil Petey. I think it looks incredible.
Eek, my drawing. It is all ripped up.
Nine are going to say sorry once we report you guys to our friends.
Simon says, close your eyes.
Simon says, run around in circles.
Simon says go to your rooms at once, grounded 8 weeks sharp.
Ouch. That hurts so badly.
Man, those troublemakers are really naughty.
And now, Goldie the ballerina starfish will perform her most greatest ballet move ever.
Yay, 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 yay. Go, Goldie, go.
Alrighty, here I go.
Now done.
Oh my god. I cannot believe those 9 ruined my big moment. They will be in deep trouble for that.
Hey William, that is a very nice painting of our treehouse you did.
Thanks for that puppet corn. I am pretty good at painting things.
Nope.
Yoink. I cannot believe it. Those 9 made me mess up my painting. There is now a big drop of paint right smack in the middle of it.
These were the same kids that annoyed me during my bath.
They ripped up my drawing out of Chucks.
They hit me and Hank in the face while we were playing a game of Simon Says.
And they scared me before I can perform a ballet dance move.
Okay, that's it. I cannot take those troublemakers any longer.
Let's all go teach those 9 a lesson.
There they are.
Uh-oh.
Oh my goodness. What is your 9's deals?
We can't believe you nine disrupt all of us while we were having fun.
You guys know that doing this is not acceptable behavior.
And now you made us all mad because of you.
And we just have had it with your behavior for today.
That's it. You are all grounded for 15 days.
As for you 8, go home now while I call your parents.
As for you, Toad, go to your room now.
And do not come out until further notice.
And that takes care of those kids. Anyways, anyone up for baseball?
Sure, baby shark. Sounds like a plan for us.
And Goldie can show off her special ballet dance after we are done.
So let's get all of the equipment we need for the game.